Welcome to Travel About, everybody. Today we're at Shields Date Garden. This is a date farm here in Indio, California. And we just had a nice little breakfast here, and we're going to take a tour of the facility. We're just finishing up our little tour here, walking tour at the Shields Date Garden. So far, this is one of the more interesting, better things that I've done here in California. I've only been here a few days, but this is super nice. Wonderful breakfast. I don't know how long of a trip this was. Maybe 2 miles round trip, maybe 1.5 miles or so. Super peaceful out here. You're mostly under shaded fruit trees of various kind. I saw a lemon, I think I saw a grapefruit, dates of course, this is a date farm. And everything is just really nicely laid out. I'll just go ahead and give you fair warning. Every single exhibit here is religious oriented. If you're not into that, you can still come out and look at the fruit trees, the flowers, the water features, and when you see a statue of Jesus, look away. I don't know what else to tell you. So it's super nice out here, religious or not. And we're gonna go ahead and go in and check out the gift shop, probably buy some dates, hopefully the ones grown right here on the farm. And who knows, we might even come back for another meal. Make sure you check, if it's not in this video, make sure you check the food review for the cafe here at Shields. One amazing breakfast. Thanks, y'all. That's got some weight to it too, man.
Well, they are heavy. There's 3 pounds right there, $26.
Yeah, it's about the same here. Oh, this one looks better. It's only a little more. We got some date samplers here. Black and gold sampler. I think that one's gonna go home with us, guys. I'm gonna walk around a little bit first. Oh, look at this. They've split the dates and put fillings inside. Wow, stuffed dates. In case you're wondering, that's where we are. Still looking for something that I saw on the website. I'm probably gonna have to ask for it. I also don't really want to walk out of here without that, so I hope they're making them today, because that's what they're most famous for here, is their date shake. I think I'm gonna have to ask. I'm looking for the coffee with the date powder in it. I didn't see it. I saw it on the website. Maybe you don't have it. I don't know. Awesome. Thank you, man. Got different kinds here. Now this one's been opened, so we won't want that one. This is decaf anyway. So it looks like we got, that's decaf. This is Coachella and Valley Coffee Company and Shields Date Crystals. Now, what is the difference between the purple one and the blue one? Okay, this one does not have the date crystals, and this one does, so that's the one I want. $20 for a bag. 12 ounces is expensive, but I'm gonna get it anyway, y'all. I mean, come on. Where else are you gonna get this at? I'm gonna take my mask off and smell this. Oh my god. Smell that, Leslie. Oh man. I'm gonna go home and make some of this. Alright guys, she is scoping out the dates here. I want to make sure that whatever we get was actually grown or at least produced here. Kind of like that sample platter over there. We're going on YouTube. You ready? You're gonna be famous. Alright guys, this is the Shields Date Garden World famous date shake. It was $7.95. It's 24 ounces, and this might be the best shake I've ever had. Leslie agrees. She agrees. You're famous. No joke, guys. This is amazing. Awesome. See you in the next video.